Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Now, before we get to your gas prices, Sagicor Bank Jamaica says it is investing in the use of technology at its branches across the country to help improve the user experience. The bank officially opened a new branch in Spanish Town on Tuesday.
Sagicor Bank is not closing branches. We are opening branches.
That declaration from CEO of Sagicor Bank Jamaica, Shorville Johnson Cunningham, at the opening of the new Brunswick Villages branch in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. It comes in a time when a number of financial institutions closed some locations in the last 4 years, retrofitting the operations to a digital-first regime.
And the fact is, because digital is the way to go, it doesn't mean that's the only way to go. We're going phygital as well, Minister. So it simply means that you need to say to your cabinet, it's not just the big two must get the deposits. It needs to be shared with everybody. Everybody.
Sagicor has invested about $6 billion in the New Brunswick development, which includes 40 commercial spaces and more than 80 residential offerings. CEO of Sagicor Group Jamaica, Christopher Zaka, says the new location will be a good mix of the hybrid approach to banking.
Because we're revolutionizing the banking landscape, making transactions easier, faster, and more accessible than ever before. And these bold steps, ladies and gentlemen, underscore our dedication, as I said, to providing our clients who are at the center of our universe with solutions that cater to their evolving needs in an increasingly digital world while retaining the personal side.
Minister responsible for digital transformation, Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon, says as technological changes take place in the banking sector, they must be inclusive.
This democratization of banking services is crucial for reaching underserved communities, allowing them to partake in financial systems that were previously out of reach. When we close branches, we are excluding some people from the financial services space.
Let's head to those gas prices now effective tomorrow. Most categories are in fact going up. Each liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $3.06 more. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will increase by $4.50. That's the highest any category of fuel can go up or down by in any given week. Kerosene will cost $3.06 more. Propane will see no adjustment this week, while butane will cost 22 cents less. Each gas station will make these adjustments to its prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. Of course, the rates are influenced by the U.S. Gulf reference price. Trading ended today with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $154.76. The Canadian is going for $115.96. The pound is trading for $196.16, while the euro is selling for $167.72. Let's head to the stock market now. The JSE index advanced by 969 points today, while the junior market index lost 9 points. Among the 43 winners were Key Insurance Company, Mayberry Group, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares. Now the 50 losers were led by PBS 9.75% CR shares, G West Corporation, ISP Finance Services, Cygnus Credit Investments Jamaican dollar shares, and Cargo Handlers. Now 20 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the Business Day.